Welcome back. We're doing something we've never done before, which is unboxing new equipment. Big Nate just got himself delivered from UPS about 5 minutes ago, a brand new camera, because this camera right here is very poor quality. So I sprung, and I have not opened this, so let's open it, hook it up, and see the difference. Here we go. Oh, I'm missing something. Stand by. Now we're ready. See how difficult this thing is to work and figure out. So in the box, we have a camera. And nothing else. Like literally nothing else. Oh, wait. And that looks like it might be instructions. User manual. Let's get rid of that. Let's read this. It's always a good place to start. Alright, so there's some software that I might need to download. Oh, wow. It's in German. Another language. Ah, it's in Russian. Da. It's a вечером. Отлично. Спасибо. Da. Spanish. Oh, I don't read this one. That language I can't read. Okay, well, let's get rid of that. So let's click this guy right here for now. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at the resolution of that baby. Yeah, boy, that is gonna look a lot nicer. So let's switch back. Here's my old one. Hello. And here is my new one. Hello. Wow, that's amazing. That is exciting, and we can point this thing. Here's the shop. Let's look around. Workbench, all my goodies. Yep, there she is. Okay, so now that we got that guy working, let's pause this video, and from here on out, we're gonna have some HD footage on the old hands. This one more time. There's the old one, and my goodness. And new cam. Wow, that's amazing. Amazing. Alrighty, well, all future videos, guys, will be using this nice camera. So we just upped our quality, and coming soon, we're going to up it again with a new microscope cam. So thanks for watching. We got some new equipment, and we will see you on the next repair.